Hey ladies, Fluffy Butts Cloth here. I have a new fluff mail. This one is from Daisy and Bird, which is Australian based. So let's have a look at this one. Hang on. Should have opened that bit before. Okay. So, yep, you don't need that bit. Okay, so here she sent out care instructions. These are from Lindsay over at Daisy and Bird in Australia. I contacted her because she had this autism print. Now, for those of you that know me or anything about me, know that I have an autistic child. So this is the front. She's on Facebook, she's on Etsy. Lindsay's lovely. She's also in my group. She's a lovely lady to deal with. Okay, so sorry about that, just taking the tags out. So this is her tag. And then we've got, I believe I ordered a light. Yes, sorry, I'm looking for the, there we go, there's a star. Open it all. There we go. Okay, so I ordered a pad and a pair of scrundies. So this is a knit top. And oh god, I think it's a micro fleece back. So there's the pad. It's a beautiful pad, 10 inches I believe as well. And I also ordered a pair of scrundies in the same, because I like matching sets. So here we have it. This beautiful, I think it's awesome, the autism awareness print that was done. I'm absolutely positive this this material was actually produced in Australia as well. So I'm really pleased to have one of these. It's all been made in Australia. So thank you, Lindsay, they're beautiful. And I shall do a review a bit later on down the line. Thanks, bye.